billionaire investor Ray Dalio has just given a scary warning to the traditional market, and he has predicted something very huge and bullish for Cardano, Bitcoin, and others. So watch this video till the end and don't miss out on anything. Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Strategy, the best place for your daily dose of Cardano. Before we proceed, I want you to hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell for more interesting updates about Cardano, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave it in the comment section. Also, you stand a chance to win a brand new MacBook Air. Here's what you need to do. It's very simple and easy. The gold coins will be randomly hidden during this video, and all you have to do is keep in mind those special and misleading moments. Then go ahead to like the video and comment on the number of coins you found in the comments section. Now ready for today's two. While the crypto market is going through an extended bearish phase and the price of Cardano and others is struggling to gain some momentum, Ray Dalio, a billionaire investor and hedge fund manager, has given a staunch warning for the global economy. Dalio believes the US dollar and fiat currencies worldwide are trapped in a never-ending downward spiral. He stated in a new interview with Yahoo Finance that his fear about inflation has increased to between an 8 and a 10 on a scale of 1 to 10 at the moment. He believes governments have little meaningful control over the deterioration of their currencies' purchasing value. According to Dalio, while the U.S. Federal Reserve's rate hikes may temporarily contain inflation, in the United States authorities will eventually be unable to bring it down to a manageable level. He said that we have had a 7% inflation rate and will probably stabilize at 5% or something. As a result, people continue to lose money to inflation. This means that you have enough tightening by the Federal Reserve to appropriately address inflation, but too much tightening for the markets and economy. As a result, Dalio believes that the Fed will be in a tough position a year from now if inflation remains high and begins to exert pressure on both the markets and the economy. On the other hand, the billionaire said that this rising inflation and all other macroeconomic factors are not going to hamper the growth in the crypto market. Dalio believes that the current situation is actually good for cryptos like Cardano and Bitcoin. He said that cryptos have already sustained pressure from the current macroeconomic factors. As a result, he sees a bright future for Cardano and others. And continuing to talk about the current economic situation and the drop in value of fiat currencies, Ray Dalio said that if you borrow more money than you lend and have a lot of debt, you will either repay in hard or soft money. As a result, a very severe trade-off is created, and this leaves very few options for you, such as saving more money. As a result, the trade-off becomes more difficult, and this is what creates a stagflationary climate as they attempt to balance these two undesirables. In other words, the central bank wants to restrict inflation, yet a sufficiently high interest rate sufficient to manage inflation creates an unfavorable economic climate, and this leaves no options for them. Dalio asserts that as this new reality takes root, a shift in the hive mind of investors worldwide is underway as people begin to doubt the fundamental essence of fiat money and develop an interest in cryptos like ADA and Bitcoin. Well, Ray Dalio is predicting that there is going to be a paradigm shift from paper currencies toward digital currencies such as Cardano and Bitcoin, and this is indeed a massive prediction for ADA, since it is coming from one of the most experienced and successful investors in the world. However, there is something more important that we need to consider here. But if you want to know more, stay tuned until the end of the video, because we're yet to talk about it. And while you're at it, don't forget to click on that like and subscribe button for more videos like these. Now moving forward, in his recent interview, billionaire investor Ray Dalio stated that a fiat currency is both a medium of commerce and a repository of wealth, and its repository of wealth is currently a source of contention, notably for the dollar. However, it is a concern for other countries as well. So inflation occurs as money is spent on other things, and because the cost of borrowing is so cheap in comparison to the inflation rate, it encourages money borrowing and money sales. In other words, Dalio advised investors to refrain from holding such financial assets that, as he believes, you are altering the nature of money and the dollar as a store of wealth. Most importantly, he said that we are beginning to see a paradigm change away from the belief that we had low inflation and that when you own bonds and cash or operate in a certain way, you don't have to worry about it, and businesses don't have to worry about it in their inventories or having greater inventories. Dalio believes investors will gravitate toward assets that are demonstrably scarcer and more difficult to manufacture than paper money, naming cryptos like Cardano and others in gold as two possible candidates. In addition to this, Ray Dalio said that the system must address the question of what money is. Is the dollar going to continue to act as a reserve currency in the same capacity? Then you witness the emergence of alternative currencies. He believes that we see a range of things, and in the current context various forms of money will compete with one another. Perhaps it is crypto and gold. According to Dalio, we are now going to enter an atmosphere where everyone believes that they should consider how much money is held in debt instruments, those debt assets, and they should consider how low those returns are. Seeing this, he believes that such a transition is critical, and as a result, we represent a significant shift in the currency, and most likely this shift is going towards the widespread adoption of Bitcoin, Cardano, and other cryptos that may replace the paper currency over the years. Another very interesting thing about Cardano and cryptos is that Ray Dalio has predicted a massive institutional adoption of cryptos. He believes that the current macroeconomic environment throughout the world is going to encourage institutional investors to start investing in assets such as cryptos. In fact, it has been reported that Ray Dalio's fund Bridgewater Associates is now preparing to make its first real investment in cryptos. This was revealed by CoinDesk that the world's largest hedge fund is planning to buy into crypto derivatives. It is important to note here that Bridgewater Associates currently manages more than $150 billion in assets, so this indiscretion could be a strong signal for a possible recovery in the crypto markets. On the other hand, founder Ray Dalio has been investing in Bitcoin since May 2021. Still, this would be a small investment compared to its total amount, but other prominent investors are reportedly in talks to invest in this derivative. Last month, the company denied that it was interested in taking a position on cryptocurrencies anytime soon, so a real breakthrough may be in the works, and considering this latest prediction from Dalio himself, it is now highly likely that Bridgewater Associates is going to enter the crypto space, and it is going to bring huge institutional investment to the crypto market. But the most important thing to note here is that Dalio is not only making some random predictions, he is also making an example here. So Dalio's comments and the entry of Bridgewater Associates into the crypto market is positive news for Cardano amid this bearish market period. The takeaway is that one of the most successful investors in the world is seeing massive growth for Cardano and other cryptos, so we can expect Data and others to make some massive moves in the future. In any case, leave your thoughts and comments in the comments section below, and if you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a like, and also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video, and don't forget about our giveaway. How many coins did you find? Drop your answer down below, and you could very well be the proud owner of a brand new MacBook Air. And remember, the information provided is not trading advice. We strongly recommend independent research and or consultation with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching and stay strong.